Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to reverse audio in Logic Pro. So let's get straight into it. So this method is non-destructive, meaning it only flips the playback of that specific region without altering your original hard drive file. So what we need to do is select the audio region in your timeline. Okay, so we need to select something on our timeline right here. So let's say this right here, this one. Now what we are going to do is here at the bottom left you will see the middle icon. Click on it, it's like inspector panel, and then click here. You will find in general, you will find reverse and just toggle it on. So in older version of Logic, you may need to click more inside the region menu to reveal the checkbox, but right here you have it. You just need to find it here. In general, you will see reverse, and this is pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.